Hello brothers from Too Many Mothers, all handmade here with another Parkside video. Just got this 4 volts cordless screwdriver, the price 22 euros, and as you can see it's equipped with 4 volts, 1.5 amps per hour battery, no road rotational speed, 215 RPMs, and as you can see there are some accessories included, 6 insulated special bits. Those are approved for voltages up to 100 volts, but I'm not sure are those really an accessory, simply because you cannot use the screwdriver with bits different from those 6 here. Now the maximum torque of the screwdriver is 0.4 Newton meters, and in manual mode, meaning you're using it with your hand, it's up to 8 Newton meters. Now if you ask me, 0.4 it's a little bit too low as a torque, but I will do some tests and see if that is really true. So let's open the package and see what we have inside. Manual, the screwdriver, the 6 insulated bits, and the charging adapter. It's equipped with a USB-C charging cable, so pretty sure you can charge the screwdriver with the charger for your telephone. Rubberized handle, LED indicator over here with 3 colors, red, orange and green. Here we have 2 LED work lights, and of course the switch for selecting the rotation direction. Now, why I said you can use the screwdriver only with these 6 bits over here? Well, it's simple. Take a look at the design of the bit, and especially this part over here. It's not a perfect hexagon. Its sides are a little bit curvy, and the same is with the design of the screwdriver. The sides over here have this special curve, so it will be simply impossible to insert bits from different screwdrivers. You have to use only Parkside bits, and that's a little bit of a drawback. Let's do some tests with the screwdriver. So far so good. Sit on my power outlet. On the hinges of my door. On the locking mechanism of my door. It seems that I have to use it in manual mode here. It's a little bit too much for the screwdriver. This screw over here on my washing machine. Nope. You have to unscrew it in manual mode. And then screw it back again in manual mode. Unfortunately, only after using it on 5 screws I managed to put some damage on the bit over here. I could only imagine what would happen if I have to use a screwdriver every day. Other drawback is that there is no Torx bit in the set. We have Phillips 1, Phillips 2, Posi-Drift 1, Posi-Drift 2, and the slotted bits. So no Torx. I'm not sure if it's even possible to order it from Parkside or Grizzly Tools. I think it's manufactured by Grizzly Tools, yes. I have to check online. Finally, my advice for you guys, don't buy it. For a little bit more money you could get a normal 2-speed cordless drill. The only advantage of this one is that it's handy, but yet again you have to bring the remaining 5 bits, the charging adapter and maybe even the briefcase, so overall it's not so handy. And that's all from me. If you'd like the video, you know the drill.